now, and we need your energy for that first. So make some noise for me, will you? All right, the lovely Judy Ledoux is going to be announcing the guests as they come into the room. And let's get started right now. Take a look at Judy, everyone.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, the moment that we've all been waiting. Amen? Welcoming the wedding party. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all line up. All right, please welcome the wedding party. David and AUMAVE-OKESENE. David and AUMAVE-OKESENE. All right. With the best man, AJ Kamika. AJ is the dear cousin of David Okesene. He will be escorted to maid of honor, Sophia Boleto. You are the people of Corona. Let's welcome them in. Escorting his beautiful wife, Beverly Marcano, all the way from beautiful Hawaii. Beverly is Deanna's youngest sister. Making the grand entrance is Sally Wow, escorting his lovely wife, Rachel Wow. The show is really popular. Good luck. Making their way in is Sweet Style Tsunami from Seattle, Washington, escorting his beautiful cousin, Dorita Malaiva Mayama, Okesene, one of David's younger sisters. From Anchor to Alaska, escorting the lovely Josephine Okesene. She is the baby of the Okesene bunch. They're beautiful as heart. Get your way in. Don't act as if you didn't know. Let me play with her ball. I said I'll soon be home. If we bump into each other. David Corona from Anchor to Alaska is playing the Queen and David is also David Okesene's first cousin. straight from Anchorage, Alaska, escorting the lovely Grocery Woman of Sound. Show your love, ladies and gentlemen. Making your way through is Vincent AUMAVAE, escorting his cousin, Virginia